Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, we from Group 2 will do a presentation about development about, from artificial intelligence. First, I will introduce the member of this group. My name is Muhammad Zilan Zaini, and then there is Muhammad Bastian Hanafi, Bambang Sugeng Marsudianto, Arius Danuarta, and Arif Farhan Mardika Putra. Now, let's get to the presentation. First material will be conveyed by Arif.
Okay, today I will presentation of history of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a very important field of computer science in the present and future era for realizing intelligent computer system. The field has developed very rapidly in the last 20 years in line with the need for smart device in industry and households. Therefore, this book describes a variety of modern view and the latest research results that academics, students, and practitioners need to master complete with real implementation. The word intelligence comes from the Latin intelligo, which means I understand. The basic meaning of intelligence is very ability to understand and take action. In fact, the area of artificial intelligence or AI for short organized with the emergence of computer around the 1940. Although the history of its development can be traced back to ancient Egypt, at this time attention is focused on ability of computers to do something that can be done by humans. In this case, the computer can human intelligence and behavior abilities. In late 1955, Newell and Simon developed the logic theories, the first AI program. This program represents the problem as a model tree, then resolves it by selecting a branch that will produce the correct conclusion. This program has had a major impact and is an important stepping stone in developing the AI field. In 1056, John McCarthy of the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, considered the father of AI, organized a conference to attack computer experts to meet with the name of activity the Dartmouth Summer Research Project on Artificial Intelligence. In the 1060 and 1070 discussions emerged on how computers could imitate the greatest possible detail of the human brain's abilities, which at that time could be AI in 1060, when computers were more easily available at lower price. Various research in the field of artificial intelligence developed rapidly at various universities. Today, almost all computer equipment and sophisticated electronic devices apply artificial intelligence to make system more reliable. In the future, it is estimated that all electronic devices and computer will become much more intelligent because of the implementation of various artificial intelligence methods.
Okay, here is the development of artificial intelligence year to year. The beginning of the development of AI was when the U.S. government agency, the Defense Advanced Research Project Agency or DARPA, funded AI research at MIT University, who with the hope that the machine could speak Russian instantly. But a few years later, Due to this disappointing result of AI, many governments around the world decided to withdraw their funding for AI research. This was going on. This is going on. This was going on for decades, until finally AI began to develop again and has become an industry in 1980. Starting with the Digital Equipment Corporation or DEC, which invented a system called R1, which is useful for configuring system on new computer. By 1988, the R1 had run 40 systems and managed to save the company operating cost up to US 40 million US dollar per year. And in 1977, there was a historical event that will not be forgotten, where the chess world champion who never lost suffered his first defeat after only 19 moves by an IBM computer called Deep Blue. Then, in 2000, the founder of Google, Larry Page, discussed creating Google Search that leads to AI. 11 years later, Apple introduced Siri, a smart personal assistant that helped get everything done by simply asking. Then, in 2015, Google released TensorFlow, an open source platform for machine learning. Until now, the development of AI is still continuing and will be sophisticated than before, along with endless technological development. This is as if a double-edged knife. This development could be a booster of human civilization, or it will be the beginning of human deterioration due to the technological sophistication that can defeat humans. Next.
Today, many companies are developing and using artificial intelligence to replace human job. The artificial intelligence is currently implemented in various fields. I will show you example of implementation artificial intelligence in various fields. Artificial intelligence in agricultural. The example is smart garden. Currently, the traditional method for agricultural technology are starting to be abundant because today the agricultural technology already very developed. This technology is commonly called smart garden. Using artificial intelligence, we can get detailed and accurate information about plant growth. Artificial intelligence in marketing. Today, many online shops using artificial intelligence for marketing. If you need to buy an item but you don't know what is the item name, today you can search the item using image. The system will search similar picture using your image and give you information and item you are looking for. With this way, you can easy to buy any item without know the name. Artificial intelligence in bank. Artificial intelligence in bank is grow faster. Artificial intelligence in bank is used to increase security. With artificial intelligence, bank can detect anomalies and credit card fraud. The use of AI in bank is not a new concept. By tracing the card, use endpoint access, security specialists are more efficient prevent fraud. Artificial intelligence in vehicle. The example in artificial intelligence in vehicle is smart vehicle. Today, many vehicles already adopt the artificial intelligence. Example, Tesla car. Tesla is an American electric vehicle and clean energy company. The car is using battery and solar panel energy. This car also has autopilot, which allow the car drive automatically using artificial intelligence.
The role and influence of artificial. First is everyday influence of artificial intelligence. Many everyday influence of artificial intelligence are altering the way our daily life looks. We use smartphone to navigate around town. How to virtual digital assistants such as Alexa and Cortana respond to our queries and will be baffled by our addiction to social media channels such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. What is now normal to us and powered by AI would be utterly foreign to our friend from the past. Second is artificial intelligence influence business. We can see that artificial intelligence influence business from managing global supply chains to optimizing the railroads. Artificial intelligence is helping companies of all size and in all industry improve the productivity and the bottom line at every stage of the business life cycle from sourcing material to sales and accounting to customer service. It's allowing companies to design, produce, and deliver products in service better than ever before. The third is life-saving AI. Artificial intelligence just improving life. In some cases, it will save life. There are many companies, including tech companies, that are investing in and researching ways to that artificial intelligence can help improve our healthcare system, from figuring out personalized drug protocols to get better diagnostic tools, and even robots to assist surgeries. AI is altering our healthcare system from the processes to the care that this organization provide. And the last is the fourth, entertaining AI. AI has been deployed to enhance our life as well. Experiment with AI to compose original composition from books to music. Develop recipe based on what currently in the cupboard, and even to create works of art are extending the influence of AI in on our life. The AI powered recommendation engines of Netflix and Spotify help streamline our decision making process when we are looking for the next show to watch or song to listen to.
In the future, will AI be able to make the world better, or some future AI implementation? Stable technology. One of the main limitations for humans is the body and brain. Researcher Simon Witteson thinks that in the future, we will be able to augment ourselves with computers and enhance many of our own natural abilities. This kind of cyber technology will significantly reduce the limitation that the amput experience on a daily basis. Robot, a company in Japan, has taken the first big step towards creating a companion robot that can understand and feel emotion. Introduced in 2014, the companion robot paper went on sale in 2015 with all of the original 1,000 units sold out in 1 minute. Actually, there are many more possibilities such as the economy, problems, medicine that human thinking cannot solve. Negative official or CEO of Tesla Motors and SpaceX Elon Musk and the genius physicist Stephen Hawking have also revealed the potential threat. Hawking underlined that the primitive AI technology used today is very useful for humans, but he is afraid of the consequence of creating something that can combat or even accept human capabilities. Next. Positive impact. On the other hand, based on the data from Accenture and Frontier Economy Project by Statista, AI has the potential to increase the gross value added of countries in the world by 20 and 35, with the such studies and benefits regardless of the possible risk in it case. The potential of AI is simply too bad to worth.
That's all from us today. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.